everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Krispy Kreme gift card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box located at the top, type in www.krispykreme.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, make sure you log into your account, and once you are, go ahead and find a shop from where you'd like to order your donuts. Click on find a shop and enter your city name, state, or your province, or even your postal code. Once you do that, make a search and you can find locations from where you can order online. Select one of the shops that you would like to order from and click on order online. Now enter the time when you would like to pick it up and click on the continue button beneath. Go ahead and select donuts or coffee or drinks you'd like to add in your shopping bag and click on add. Once you've done that, open up your shopping bag at the upper right hand corner, give it a click and click on the checkout button at the bottom of the page after everything's done. In the checkout page, go ahead and enter your information if needed. While selecting payment method, click on gift card option. Enter your gift card number that is available at the back of your Krispy Kreme gift card, and once you do that, click on the apply button next to it in order to redeem your gift card with the purchase. That is how it can be easily done. You can easily choose one of the products that you'd like to purchase from Krispy Kreme online and redeem your gift card during checkout. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.